हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ सरस्वती एजुकेशन ग्रुप भादरा जून। ये मैं आज आप लोगों के लिए क्लास 6 का चैप्टर 3 का एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.4 लेके आया हूँ, जिसका ये सेकंड पार्ट है ना। तो ये है अपने, देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स आर को प्राइम्स, है ना। हमारी कौन सी नंबर्स, है ना, ये जो नीचे नंबर्स लिखी हैं इनमें से कौन कौन से नंबर्स ऐसे हैं जो कि को प्राइम हैं, है ना। तो देखो, को प्राइम की बात जब हम करते हैं, प्राइम मीन्स होता है ऐसा नंबर जिसके फैक्टर्स 2 से ज़्यादा ना हो, है ना। द नंबर विच डू नॉट हैव फैक्टर्स मोर देन 2 इज अ प्राइम नंबर। ओके, सो हियर वी विल सी 18 फैक्टर्स करेंगे, प्राइम फैक्टर्स। प्राइम इज अ नंबर दैट एग्जैक्टली हैव 2 फैक्टर्स and 2 numbers are co-prime if they do not share any common factor. Okay, so we will factorize them in prime factors. If any factor is common, then we will say both numbers are not co-prime, and if they are not sharing any common factor, then they will be prime. Okay, so firstly this is 8 and unit place digit is 8, hence this number will be divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18. After that 9 is divisible by 3, and this is 1. Okay, now let us move towards 35. 5, because unit place digit is 5, so 5 7 ja, and here 7 1. Now here we are seeing no factor is common in between these two. No common factor is there in between these two. Here it is clearly visible that a single factor is not common between these two. Okay, so we will see, we will give our response here. No factor or not a single factor is common. Not a single factor is common between 18 and 35. 18 and 35. Hence 18 and 35 are primes. Okay, 18 and 35 are prime because no factor is common between 80 and 35. Okay, now we will see our next question, and for this you have to make just a screenshot or write this. I am going to have it. No problem, I will write once again. Okay, I am just taking part B of this question, which is question number 5, and our first number is 15. Factors of our first number is, look at this, this is 15 and now I have to divide 15. So all of first I am seeing over here the unit place digit is 5, so I have to divide this number by 5, but we will go for 3 also. This number, definitely this number will not be divisible by 2 because unit place digit is not coming from 0 to 4 6 and 8. Hence this number will not be, definitely this number will not be divisible by 2. Hence we will go for 3. So here number is 15, we will add 1 and 5, it is 6. Now this number is divisible by 3, so we will divide it by 3. 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. Okay, now here we will see this is 37 and 37 is a prime number, so 37 1 ja 37. 37 will not divide by any other number except 37 and 1. Okay, so I have just divided 37 by 37. Now here also we are seeing no factor is common among the between these two numbers. Okay, so no factor is common between 15 and 37. Hence 15 and 37 are, hence 15 and 37 are co-prime numbers. Hence 15 and 37 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Okay. So now we will go for our part C. And for doing part C, I am going to rub it. Okay. Just make a screenshot. Okay, I think you all have taken a screenshot. Now I am going to rub it. This was our part B. Now I will go for our part C, which is 30 and 45, which is 30 and 45. So we will again factorize 30. Here we are seeing unit place digit is 0, hence this number will be divisible by 2, because if unit place digit is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then only number is divisible by 2, hence we will divide this number by 2. 2 ones are 2. Now B was dividing 3, but we are only successful in dividing 2. So 1 is remained, and this it will make this 10. So 2 5s are 10. Now this is 1 plus 5, 6. This 6, because of the sum of digits is 6, then this number is like 3. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 banja 5. Okay. Now we will look at, or we will see, this is 45. We will divide, because of unit place digit is 5, so this number will not be divisible by 2. Now we will go for 3. So we will add all the digits. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. Now our sum is 9, hence this number is divisible by 3. So 3 1 is 3. Now we are left with 15. 3 5 is 15. Okay. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Again this number is divisible by 3. 3 5 is 15. 5 1 is 5. Now here we are seeing two factors, 3 and 5 are common in these two numbers, hence both the numbers are not co-primes. Okay. Here 3 and 15, two factors are common between what? 30 and 45. Between 30 and 45. Hence 30 and 45 are not prime number, are not co-prime numbers, are not co-prime numbers, co-prime numbers. I hope you got this. Okay. Let us move towards our problem number D. Okay. So just make a note. Okay, here our problem D is, or our part D is (17) and 68. Part D, first number is 17 and second number is 68. If the smallest number is very small than our biggest or our bigger number, then we will count or we will check whether the smallest numbers table, whether the bigger number or biggest number is coming in smallest numbers table or not. So 17 1 जा 17, 17 2 जा 34, 17 3 जा 51, 17 4 जा 68. Here 17, let us try our oldest way. अपने पुराने वाला तरीका था ना, उसी से करते हैं. तो 17 1 जा 17 and other number is 68. So this is 8, so we will divide it by 2. 2, this is 34, again by 2, this is 2 1 ja 2 and 2 7 ja 14. Now 17, this is 1. Okay, here we are seeing our 17 is common in between these two. Our 17 is common in between these two, hence what we will say, hence both the numbers, common factor is there in between these two, so we can say no, these two numbers sharing a common factor, so we can say that these two numbers are not co-prime. Okay, hence both the numbers are not co-prime. I hope you got it. Next part is part E. This is our part E, in which I have to this is part E, and in our part E we can see number 5th and part E is 216 and 215, these two. Okay, 216 and 215. So here we are seeing that this is 216, and because of this is 216, here we are able to see that unit place digit is 2, hence this number will be divisible by 2. So 2 1 are 2, now 1, so there will be a division breaking 0. Okay, now it will remain 16, so 2 8 ja 16. Now we will go for 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, now again 10, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja, now again no number unit place digit is 7. Now this number will not be divisible by 2 anymore, so we will add 2 plus 7 is 9. Now addition of digits is divisible by 3, so this number will be divisible by 3. So 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, again 3 3 ja 1. Okay, so here factors, so here our factors are 2 2 2 3 3 3. Okay, now we will factorize 215. Here we are seeing unit place digit is not 0 2 4 6 8, hence this number will not be divisible by 2. Now we will check for 3, so we will add these all. 2 and 1 is 3, 3 and 5 is 8, hence this addition is not coming from 3 6 9, hence this number will not be divisible by 3 also. Now we will go for 5. Here we are seeing our unit place digit is 5, hence this number will be divisible by 5. So 5 4 ja 20, and after that we are left with 1, this is 15. 5 3 ja 15, now this is 43, again 43, now this is 1, because here we are seeing that 43 is a prime number, will not be divisible by any other number. It will always be divided by itself, so I have divided by 43 only. Okay, now here we are seeing no factor is common once again, so no factor is common, hence 216 and 215 are co-prime numbers. I hope you all got it. Next problem I will take after rubbing this. So here our next problem is problem number F, push part number F. and our part F is, what is our part F? Part F is, first one is 81 and second one is 16. Okay, 81 and 16. So here we will see when we will divide 81. Now unit place digit is not 0, 2, 4, 6, hence number is not divisible by 2. Now we will try this by 3. So we will add all the digits. Now sum of digits is 9, hence this number is divisible by 3. So we will divide by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is more than 3 3 is 9 is more than 8, hence 3 2 is 6. Okay. Now we are remained with 2. This is 21. 3 7 is 21. Now again the number is divided by 3 because 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay. So 3 9s are 27. Now this is 9 divided by 3, 3, and again 3 1 is 3. This is 2. Okay. Here this is 16, and now we are seeing, because of unit place digit is 6, hence the number is divisible by 2. So 2 8 is 16, again 2 4 is 8, again 2 2 is 4, again 2 1 is 2. Okay, here we are seeing only 3 and here we are seeing only 2. So no factor is common between 81 and 16, hence the numbers are co-prime. I will take next problem. First you just make clear and note down, okay, or take a screenshot, and if you have any problem you can make comment below in comment box. Now we will go for our next problem. Which is question number 6. And this is question number 6 is, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that? By which other number will that number be? By which other number will that number be? That number be, will that number be always divisible? Always divisible. Okay, so here we will go for what? Here we will go for checking. Okay, so a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will the number be always divisible? If a number is divisible by 5 and 12, then it will also be divisible by 5 into 12, means 12 5 are 60. If a number is divisible by 5 and 12 both, then it will always be divisible by the number coming by taking LCM of both 5 and 12, okay, or HCF of both. Here HCF of both is 1 and LCM of both is 60. So our answer is, if a number is divisible by 5 and 12 both, then it will always be divisible by 5 multiplied with 12 means 60 also. Okay, 60 के थ्रू भी डिविजल होगी ही होगी नंबर. I hope you got it. Now I am moving towards question number next, which is question number 7th. And our question number 7th is, what is our question number 7th? A number is divisible by 12. By what other number will that number be divisible? A number is divisible by number is divisible by 12. By what other number? By what other number? By what other number? Numbers will that number be divisible? Will that number be divisible? Okay, so here we are seeing in our 7th question, we are looking for what? We are looking for, first just note down, after that I will rub it and solve next sum. A number is divisible by 12. By what other number will that number be divisible? Then now we will see, if a number is divisible by 12, then it will also be divisible by the factors of 12. Got it? If number is a prime number, then it will only be divisible by that number. But if number is having factors, then the other number which was divisible by 12 will also be divisible by all the factors of 12. Okay, so factors of 12 are, factors of 12 equals to 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so the number which is divisible by 12 will also be divisible by 2 and 3, 2, 3, 4 and 6 as well. Okay, hence यहाँ तक this is the last question of our exercise number 3.4. Exercise number 3.4. This was the last question of our exercise number 3.4. Now we will do our next exercise 3.5 in our next video. Okay.